Well, we went and got our driver's wristbands so we can go on the track, but they're saying it's gonna rain for a bit, and if you look up there, it's pretty dark, so I put my car back in the trailer. Oh, there's a Ford GT, yellow Ford GT with a Exner twin turbo kit on it. There's a couple Huracans, a couple Gallardos here today too. So some cool like exotic cars also, which usually there's not a lot of those here. There's maybe one sometimes, but there's quite a few today, and a lot of other cool cars. So you can see the cruising session going on right now, all the cars going by. Definitely feeling like rain, so we're just gonna wait it out a bit and see what happens. Well, we're stuck in the trailer right now because, as you can see, it is freaking pouring rain. And little bits of hail going on too, which kind of sucks. Luckily my Nova's in the trailer, but Clayton Mustang's outside, so we're hoping that, that the hail doesn't get too big, and yeah, hopefully that was it for this ridiculous rain. Kind of, you know, screws things over here, but
really they should be doing the drifting practice right now.
What are you gonna do? Yeah,
drift lube out there. Everyone save their tires.
Oh, there's Lambo, Huracan. Looks like it finally stopped raining. Hopefully it's not going to start again. They're doing some wet drifting practice over there. Might be able to hear them drifting it up. We're just waiting for it to dry, hopefully, around here. Right, Mike? Yeah. The rain has stopped. The track is dry, and we're getting ready to go out on the track with both cars. Should be a blast.
Look at that Ferrari, guys.
Nice Ferrari.
Sick. So we're heading out for our first cruise session. I chose to go in the Mustang just because the track is a little wet still. I don't know how much Rob is going to be able to give her, but I guess we'll find out.
Swinging elbows on the wheel.
Yeah, exactly. So we're going to head out there and get our feet wet. Got a bunch of fake police cars over here. I think they do training with. Pretty cool grounds here. All right, here we go, guys. First time of 2018, year number 8.
Wait, Rob.
Well, there goes Rob. We got kind of screwed, but we'll catch up to him, I'm pretty sure. Cruising sessions, if you guys don't know, it's basically the road course here at Brainerd International Raceway. They tell you to slow down in the corners, not to race through them, but other than that, there's really no rules. Besides having fun and no standing burnouts. there a bit, it just instantly started going sideways.
Bump to pass. I don't know, I think I might take them.
Too wet.
Yeah,
Just blowing the tires off like crazy.
here's the first of two big straightaways that
Not a chance.
we often race each other at. We're about to get out of there. Get out of it there, being so slippery. Big corner, then straightaway number 2. One lap around the road course. That's where we started.
Well, that pretty much destroyed Rob there.
Yeah. Chickens are too slow.
Get out the way.
obviously picked the right vehicle to get into for this session due to the wet
Lack
track.
of horsepower.
Probably had no chance of hooking up at all, so the Mustang was the car to go with.
I guess they go through here.
I guess so.
I happened to look at my mirror and I saw something like tumbling across the ground and I was like, hey, what's that? And I look over, ah shit, my GoPro's gone.
We still got the Ghost.
So apparently it blew off of there.
Huh.
GoPro suction cups for you, I guess.
You could go walk over there.
Oh, we're gonna have to go over there and see if it's there. Or... I almost think someone stopped and picked it up, but you're not supposed to stop on the track, but
Yeah.
unless someone ran, I don't know. Unless they came out with a safety vehicle and grabbed it. I'll have to go walk over to the front there and see.
There's all these bars around here, so if Rob crashes, my head's exploding like a watermelon, but...
Yeah, you hold on, like... You could have worn my helmet if you wanted to, I guess.
I guess.
I have it.
Now we'll wait. See those wipers? Streetcar.
Arm out. Army.
I can't reach over that.
She didn't really spin there.
Know what you want while you're on the road course.
Seriously, like the fucking guy in the Lamborghini pulls out. Not to say that I beat him or anything, but I wanted to race him. And then it fucking starts pouring rain. Like seriously? That sucks. Oh well. Always tomorrow.
Yeah, we got a bunch more cruising sessions to go, so.